Updating your legal name on Azure is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Access your Azure account. Log into your Azure account using your credentials. Make sure you have administrative access to make changes to your account details. Step 2. Navigate to the profile settings. Once logged in, go to the Profile or Account Management section of the Azure portal. This area contains all your personal information, including your name. Step 3. Edit your legal name. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use Azure to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Save changes. After entering your new name, ensure that all information is correct. Click the Save button to apply the changes to your account. Step 5. Confirm the update. Check your profile again to confirm that your legal name has been updated successfully. You may also receive a confirmation email regarding the change. By following these steps, you can quickly update your legal name on Azure. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Azure support for assistance.